Hello, very nice day to you, everyone. And today is June 10, and it's a Tuesday. I just want to share to you what I experienced in my sleep last night. It has actually made me think a lot. Okay, so let me first start with a question. Have you tried praying devoutly for 10 to 15 minutes when you're having a terrible migraine or a chronic headache? And then, after the time of intense prayer, your headache disappears. Another question is, have you ever tried praying in a group of about seven or more people, focusing on one objective or goal, and suddenly your prayers become one because we cannot say that everybody is focused on the prayer, but if in case those prayers of your group becomes one, then it starts emitting and making it travel on the same wavelength. And suddenly, the person's sickness, the one you are praying for, the sickness vanished or vanishes. Okay? Another question is, have you ever experimented on doing a kind of meditation during your prayer that connects you with with the true God? I mean, praying to God and suddenly experience an energy surge within you, and comparing the same action of meditation where you do not connect with God, like those who are doing yoga and all those things that they don't connect with any God, then compare them with the one that is connected with God, and you will notice the very big difference between the two of them. And that is what many holy men are saying, that if your prayer is connected with the true God, then your prayer will not be useless. So I think that's what we are having right now around the world, that many people are trying to rely on themselves alone when it comes to meditation and prayer. Another thing is that when praying and connecting to the real God, it can really create miracles, any kind of miracles. While those who only connect with their own inner power does not have this effect. What I'm trying to say here is this. This phenom that somehow I got it from my experience last night, that when we pray devoutly, we enhance our God given power, some kind of a power similar to the magnetic power of our planet. And this is what that person was trying to tell me. He was trying to explain it, but he could not really directly say it because maybe I could not comprehend what his explanation. He said, he asked me, said, do I not wonder why the magnetic energy of the whole planet is weakening and its rotation is slowing down? This is because humanity this is what he said. This is because humanity forgets to pray to God. And if our prayers are unified, I don't know what it means, like he used another word, as in one force, he said, we can restore the planet's energy, and life, so humanity can survive for many years. But right now, it seems that this kind of goal would be, you know, impossible to achieve right now because our world is so divided. Our world's the individual in our world is really, we are not really united in our spiritual life. So the connection within the magnetic energy of our planet and with our prayers is really important. Think about this. Thank you. And thank you for listening to me. Thank you and have a nice day.